Planning a day trip to Bilbao with a camper van and no idea where to start? No worries. In this video, we'll give you the perfect tips, from the best camper van stop to the last pintxo. We'll show you exactly where to go and how to arrange it, so you can just enjoy. This is the story of a city that reinvented itself, from a somewhat drab industrial city to a super cool hub of art and gastronomy. We're not starting our day just like that. No, we booked a free guided tour. With a free guided tour, you sign up for a tour. After the tour, you decide how much you thought it was worth and give that to the guide. You can find them in many cities. After breakfast, we immediately left our overnight stay on the beach in Orignon. We were quite shocked when searching for a suitable parking spot and /or overnight stay. Reviews of several parking spots mentioned that camper vans had been broken into, and not always at night, but often during the day. There was talk of organized groups robbing camper vans. Back doors were also being forced open at traffic lights. Now that we had our sights set on Bilbao, we wanted to go there too. We parked our camper van just outside Bilbao. There were no reviews of camper vans being broken into at that parking spot. To be safe, we took all our valuables with us. With a heavy backpack, we cycled to the meeting point for the free guided tour Arriaga Plaza in about 25 minutes. Following a friend's suggestion, Maria had found a free guided tour. The tour lasted 2.5 hours.
So far that he needed to repair, that he also needed to sleep the estuary, the river, the theater. Then we speak about it. Into the sea, and is also affected by the tides of the sea, Cantabric Sea, okay? As these tides change, we can appreciate this in the estuary, okay? Now it's in the high tide.
We walked along the Ria Nervion River to the old Puente de San Antón bridge. Next to the bridge stands a church, San Antón Eliza. The bridge and the church are featured in the logo of Athletic Bilbao Football Club. We walked across the bridge to the Mercado de la Ribera. This beautiful Art Deco building was once the largest covered market in Europe and remains one of the most impressive. It's not just a place for fresh groceries, it's packed with bars where you can sample the most delicious pintxos. Pintxos are the Basque version of tapa, often more refined and served on a piece of bread. From classics with ham to creative creations with fish, it's a culinary feast. The atmosphere is delightfully lively and authentic. This is the real Bilbao. Time to delve into history. The old town actually consists of only 7 parallel streets. They are colorful and charming. We walked to the Casco Viejo, the old town. This is the historic heart of Bilbao. It's also called Las Siete Calles, the 7 streets that once formed the original city center. Here you'll find narrow pedestrianized streets, colorful buildings, and that authentic atmosphere you won't find anywhere else. Put your map aside for a moment and get lost in the maze of streets, discover small shops, and feel the history.
Guess what was the size of the old locomotive?
In the heart of the Casco Viejo lies Plaza Nueva, a beautiful square surrounded by arches. This is the vibrant heart of the neighborhood, the place where locals gather for a chat and a drink. Santiago Cathedral, or Bilboko Donejacque Catedrala, is located just outside the old town. Santiago Cathedral is often visited by pilgrims on the Camino de Santiago, who walk or cycle to Santiago de Compostela. We cycled back past the world-famous Guggenheim Museum. And even if you think, I'm not into art, believe me, the building itself is a masterpiece. Designed by Frank Gehry, its gleaming titanium plating makes it look like a ship or a metal flower. A clever nod to the city's industrial and maritime past. Inside it, you'll find a stunning collection of modern art, but the exterior is perhaps even more photogenic. We cycled past the Puente de la Salve, a striking bridge that perfectly complements the city's new look. Back at the parking lot, our campervan was still there, undamaged. We left the bustle of Bilbao heading east. Hopefully the weather will be a bit better than predicted, and we can relax in Oreo for another day before heading home. In Oreo, we found a spot again at the free campervan site where we had also parked at the beginning of our trip. And that was our perfect day in Bilbao. We admired the iconic Guggenheim, felt the historic soul of the Casco Viejo, and of course enjoyed that irresistible Basque cuisine. Bilbao is a city of contrasts, old and new, industrial and artistic, grand yet intimate. It's a city that continues to surprise and inspire you. We hope this guide has helped you, and you're as enthusiastic about Bilbao as we are. Let us know in the comments what your favorite spot in Bilbao is. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.